Hi student, welcome back to class, and this is Learn Chemistry with Emerald. In today's class we are going to look at preparing standard solution. In this very short video, I'm going to be looking at in an introductory part of that. Standard solutions are solutions of known concentration. In acid-base reactions, it is expected that before you carry out quantitative analysis, which is titration that we know, you are expected to use standard solutions of either acid or and the base to prepare whatever titration that you want to do. Now, it is important that as a student, you also learn how to prepare standard solution such that you could perform the whole experiment yourself without the assistance of the teachers, or even at the higher institution, it is expected that you know it when you are doing your project. So learning how to prepare standard solution is quite important for all chemistry students. Now, what is standard solution? Standard solution are solutions of known concentration. Standard solution are solutions of known concentration. Now, of course, for standard solution, it is expected that we follow some steps when we are preparing standard solution. We follow some steps when we are preparing standard solution. So, majorly some of the materials that is needed to prepare standard solution. Of course, we have the volumetric flask, which is also called apparatus now. The apparatus. It is also called the volumetric flask. It is also called the standard flask. Of course, you are going to need chemical or weighing balance when you are dealing with base, because in base, if you are preparing standard solution of a base, it is expected that it's measured in gram, so you need to measure, convert to mass, and then of course measure using a weighing balance. But if it is acid, if you are preparing standard solution of the acid, you are going to need a measuring cylinder, because it is liquid, so you have to measure a certain amount of the liquid that is needed. Again, you are going to need your beaker. So that when you want to prepare that standard solution, probably you are preparing the acid or the base from the manufacturer. You want to put some amount from the bottle into the beaker before you add water. And then of course you are going to need the wash bottle, so that to add calculated amount of water. Of course you can measure the calculated amount of water using the measuring cylinder. You're going to need the wash bottle. For base, for both of them, you're going to need stirrer or glass rod. The stirrer or the glass rod you are going to need, so as to stir when you mix the acid or base with water. Okay, so these are some of the apparatus. Of course, there could be more. These are some of the apparatus that you are going to need in preparing standard solution. Please note that there is a way we prepare standard solution of the acid, and there's a way we prepare standard solution of the base. Base usually comes in solid form, so we are going to need to calculate the mass, so that we can use the mass to prepare the standard solution. Acid usually come in the form of liquid, so we are going to need the measuring cylinder to measure the required amount. So in the next video, we are going to look at how to prepare standard solution of the base, and then followed by how to prepare standard solution of the acid. These are very, very important in chemical laboratory, and of course in acid-base reaction. I hope you have learned one thing or the other in this video. Thank you, and may God bless you.